Today we are at our farm, organic farm. We are going to make the poha. So for this I am using 24 mantra organic. So here whatever vegetables we grow, we make sure that everything is organic. We don't use any pesticides. We don't even use any chemical fertilizers. We are going to add some oil in the pan. Especially after the pandemic, we all became very conscious about eating right. So turning organic is the best way. Now make sure that the oil is nice and hot, and we are going to do the chili, the red chili tempering. This is what you say? Mirchi, sir. Mirchi antara meeru kuda? Okay. So we are going to use some red chili. The chili in the hot oil brings out the nice aroma. Now the tempering of mustard seeds and cumin. I love cashew nut, Bujji loves peanut, and Pranav loves chana dal. So, adding all the ingredients so that we get nice crunchy bite. Normally you would add curry leaves, but here in the farm I have got some tulsi leaf. I am going to add it in this. Make sure that the peanuts are slightly roasted. You do not want the raw flavor. And in this, add onion, chopped onion, and we are going to add salt. So in this, we are going to add some tulsi patta and also some organic turmeric. If you want, you can also add any masalas, preferably green chili, and I'm going to add a little bit of garam masala just for the aroma. But in this, we're going to add water. Okay? Okay, Bujji? Okay, sir. Okay. And add water. We have to bring this to a boil. Now, Bujji, now you sing your song. Some chopped coriander. We're going to add the poha and mix it, and once much of the moisture is absorbed, this will become kind of dry in no time. Just that's it. Your poha upma is ready with peanut, masala, everything. So just bring it to this point and reduce the flame. Sprinkle lot of chopped coriander. This is freshly from my farm. Wow. And put the lid on a very slow flame for 2-3 minutes and switch it off, and your awesome poha is ready. Next we are going to make the tomato, garlic and peanut chutney to go along with this. ఏం చేస్తున్నావు బుజ్జి? ప్లేట్ కుడుతున్నా సార్. ప్లేట్ కుడుతున్నావా? అవును సార్. అయితే ఈ ప్లేట్లో వద్దా? ఆకు ప్లేట్లో తిందామా? ప్లేట్లో తినాలి. తినాలనా? ఓకే. Our dear Banjaran Bujji, she is making a leaf plates for us. So we are going to make the chutney for this. Okay. Add mustard seeds. Anyway, this will be, we are going to put it in the grinder. So I want it nice and hot. Add some red chilies also. Indala palli lesa. In this, we are going to add some peanut because we are going to make the peanut and garlic chutney. Lot of peanuts. You want the peanuts to kind of break. That's when the real taste of the chutney will come out. Kind of slightly overcooked. Add garlic. Oh, bam, boom, bus. In this, we are going to add onion. And also, we are going to add tomatoes. Some turmeric, and I'm going to add a little extra red chili powder, spicy chutney, and let this cook at least for 4-5 minutes on a medium flame. Add salt. So mix all of this. Now you can also add water and cook it till this is nice and soft. When this is done, put it in a blender or put it in a dingchik and make it into a nice hot chutney that will go excellent with your poha. When this is nicely cooked, you can finish off by adding some chopped coriander, switch off the flame, boom, 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 the chutney will be ready. ఎంతవరకు వచ్చింది నా ప్లేటు? అయిపోయిందా? సరే ఇక తినుడే. After few minutes, when the chutney is ready, this is ready to serve. Instead of rice, you can make awesome poha for breakfast. Kids, everybody will just love this. When you have big cashew nut, it's even more awesome. Bujji, ఏంది నీ కారంగా చేసిన? So, dear friends, eat fresh of the fresh food. Our Banjaran Bujji will also teach us how to grow vegetables, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Tinu Bujji? Nice, spicy, and absolutely awesome. Baagunda Bujji? Keep cooking, enjoy good food, and organic is always the best. Absolutely awesome. Every bite,